It's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz CLS. Timeless and sensual, this CLS is ready to provide a drive you will never forget. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: integrated navigation system with voice activation, multi-zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the console, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, external memory control, front heated leather bucket seats, automatic with driver control suspension management, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and twin-turbo V8 engine. Automobile raves, this is the best-looking CLS yet. Its revised front end sporting fat air intakes and a chrome diamond grille that resembles a constellation of stars. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,